Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this Tin Can Alley game from iBaseToy. This is Mere Product Reviews. This game comes with 3 beanbags, or we should describe them as throwing pouches, because it's definitely not a beanbag. It's not filled with beans at all. It feels like it's stuffed with socks. There's just material inside. They work, but it's not a beanbag. It also comes with 10 tin cans. They're labeled on the back with numbers 1 through 10, and on the front are cute little monster faces. Of course, you can play this game any time of the year, but it also would make a fun little Halloween game. This is a game for all age children. Obviously, very small children can stack these up and throw away at it, but my 11-year-old likes to play with this with his sisters as well. There's just something satisfying about throwing something as hard as you can and hearing a very loud noise in response. To be honest, while we're practicing social distancing during COVID-19, everyone in my family could stand to throw something every once in a while. And it's fun for my kids to have new games to mix things up a little bit every day and keep things fresh, whether you're making games up at home or buying simple games like this on Amazon. As usual, you can find the product link for this game in my write-up below. I hope that you found this product review to be helpful, and please let me know in the comments what kind of games you're playing at home with your kids. Thanks so much for watching Mere Product Reviews, and check out my channel for more reviews just like this one. Until next time, hang in there and have some fun.